Hey YouTube, today I am at Weir Creek Trail and hiking up to the hot springs. Jack's told me there's some real nice hot springs up here, and there's only one other vehicle in the parking lot, so I'll be gonna have it more or less to myself. And I mean, I'll be careful so that if there's anybody naked, you're not going to see them, or me naked. But let's take a hike up. It's right along the edge of the creek here, and I'll put the coordinates in the description. It's in Idaho, close to the eastern border. So let's see how this is. All right, well, there's two pools here. I'm in the little one that's close to the source, or maybe the source. It's big enough for 3 people comfortable, more if you're really friendly. There is another pool that's just down the hill here. You can see it down there. It's bigger and close to the creek. You can wander down. There's the guy who got here ahead of me. He's when we had the truck in the parking lot. But it's like a quarter-mile hike back in. I swear it's mostly uphill, but this is what it is. It's definitely worth the hike because this feels so good. And I'm just going to kick back and relax and let this heat soak into my back and my knee. Things have been bothering me for a couple days, and I'll walk back out, and maybe I'll come back later and get another soak in, or maybe early tomorrow morning. I don't know. I'll see you later. Well, I didn't soak very long. It's probably 20 minutes or so, but I always seem to pick the hottest days of the year to find hot springs. Last one I was in was in Big Bend, and it was in the 90s. And here I am in Idaho, and it's in the 90s. So anyway, could be worse. Could be in the hundreds. It's probably tomorrow. All right, I'm back out to the bus.